chicken sandwiches with no cheese.
Chicken wing or chicken breast?
Chicken ring.
So 3 chicken wings and with no cheese?
Yes, and then also, can I get a sack of chicken rings?
The 20-piece chicken wing, okay?
Yeah, and 5 piece of the mozzarella sticks.
5 piece, anything else?
That's it.
1861, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to IKEA. What's wrong?
He almost crashed into the wall.
So we're going to IKEA, but right now we are here in the drive-through White Castle for our breakfast because we just left the house without eating breakfast. So
Thank you.
here comes the food. I think there's an accident ahead because of there's a traffic. Huh?
Hey. That's fucked up.
Traffic. I think this is the accident here now.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
That's definitely it.
Yeah. Police and
You got
fire.
Got everybody out.
Oh wow, look at this.
Oh yes.
Oh. And there's a baby there.
Aw.
Wow.
Yeah, watch this fucking people next to us too. Oh, and a gas truck. Wait, yoink. So
Huh?
the truck probably hit them.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
For more info, ask your doctor at travelers.com or call 1-833-873-1333.
The sun is very bright. Very, very bright. This is the second accident. Oh wow. But there's no police here yet.
Not yet. They haven't responded yet.
Oh wow.
It involved a truck
Wow.
again.
Oh my
A
god.
truck and 2 car.
Nandito na kami sa IKEA. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So they closed, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
We're here.
We're here now. What's inside the Raymond and Flanagan?
Really, really expensive furniture.
Oh, okay. Expensive.
Yeah. It's just furniture though. You know, I've never been inside a Floor and Decor. Maybe we go in there to actually be called Sports World, and it was all different things like mini golf and things like that.
Oh, wow.
Oh yes.
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
Thank you, Siri.
I'm gonna park further away. In your phone?
Yes, no.
No.
So we just got here in IKEA. It's the IKEA there. It's windy. Aw, my baby girl is sleeping. Whew, the wind is make the cold worse, no?
Yeah. If it wasn't for the wind, it wouldn't even be cold.
Yeah.
This is.
So now, nandito na kami sa loob ng IKEA. Ah, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda naman ng bed nila. Wow. Really ah? Who's that, baby girl? Look. Look, wow, ang ganda ng bed. Nice. They have a TV. They have a table. The couch. Huh? You like it? Nice. Wow, ang ganda ng table nila. Oh, may pizza pa dahil. May pizza. It's very nice. I'm guessing this area is for babies They have a cribs and high chairs. This is the high. Oh, nice. Wow. Yeah. Mattress for the bed. Here. That's the high chair there. Daddy, they have a toy here. That's Daddy. And then I think we're going to the next elevator. You like your bed, Hilly? Huh? You like your bed? Closet, dayo. Kanais ang closet nila, dayo. It's the closet. Huh? What is it? That's a dinosaur. Yes, that's a dinosaur. Uh-huh. Ang bata, oh, gampang sa kwan. Ari sa sulod sa... Ito na, nagwa na. And this area here is the food area. So we're not gonna go inside because we're not gonna eat now because that's the line is a long line. Ari, ang ilang display ka namin. Plus ilang mga display ay nila hatagan kanila idea kag ano design. Design. Look. Kung paano mo i-ano yung mga kitchen. Muna siya oh. Na. So ari oh. Kanami bala. First time ko na di sa IKEA. Nami gali ilang ang mga kwan. Bali ilang ang mga ano bala nang ilang ginatagaan kanila idea. Mga rooms na build na tapos igaan kanila idea kung paano nila kuha ng mga balay. Then may ara sila display room kag mga ilang ano. Sorry oh, this is one of the rooms again. Kanami na so ari oh kanami pala sa kitchen design sa kitchen na siya oh tapos ari ang table ipanda pa sila day oh ara ilang kitchen ila couch tapos ara ilang kitchen dera oh na oh na kanami katong tahong balas ang kitchen ay na kanami look at that day hindi bala day ano si mami oh kanami sa kitchen design oh na kanami no tapos may food man daw may food sa table
Vem, só pra lá na frente, amor.
Let's eat the food